Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Dickinson again. I hope you remember the story about Susie, Milo, and Angelina and the problem they faced. Do you remember what problem they faced? Yeah, it was too hot on the playground. They were getting hot. They kind of don't want to put on their sunscreen, right? And they don't have much protection from the sun when they go out for recess on the playground. We're going to learn today about the patterns of the sun. I want you to think back to the sun tracker videos that you watched yesterday. When do you think the sun is the brightest? Did you say during the midday? You're right. The sun is the brightest and the hottest during the midday. Why do you think that is? Do you remember where we tracked the sun in the morning, in the afternoon, and maybe the late afternoon and in the evening? I want you to think back to those observations you made yesterday. Can you help Angelina, Milo, and Susie? In your activity today, you are working on activity 1, Patterns of the Sun. You can click on the link and look at pages 4 and 5. If you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can just look on your computer screen. You're going to color in the bars on the graph. You're going to notice the title of the graph says Average Hours of Daylight. On the bottom, we have the months of the year. January, February, March, April, that's the month we're in right now, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. On the side, this says time in hours. And so you're going to notice that in the month of January, the average amount of sunlight we get is a little over 9 hours. What do you notice as the months go from one month to the next? Yeah, you notice that the average hours of daylight increases as we get closer to spring and summer. What do you notice happens when we get to the season of fall and winter? Yeah, the average number of sunlight goes down. We don't have as much sunlight in the winter compared to the sunlight we have in the summertime. After you fill in the bars on the graph, I want you to look at these two words, rises and sets. I want you to think about the sun. The sun, in the morning and at night. You use the word rises and sets. Write it in. When you're ready, I want you to look at page 5. Page 5 has an area for you to draw and color a picture. It also has some lines for you to write about your picture. Now, Angelina, Milo, and Susie have a big problem. They are too hot while they are playing outside on the playground during recess. I want you to think about your recess time. What is a way that you could help Angelina, Milo, and Susie? How can you design a playground while giving it some protection from the sun? This makes me think, what can help us be protected from the sun while we're on the playground? Do you have an idea? Draw your picture and then write a sentence to explain. Like, I drew a to help Angelina, Milo, and Susie be protected from the sun. Can't wait to see some of your creations. See you tomorrow.